Hello and welcome back everyone to the channel. Today I've got a powerful trade recap on SE puts that pulled in a solid 150% profit, and this trade is far from over. I used my PSS model to navigate this setup and it turned out to be a textbook setup. I entered into a bearish liquidity pocket that aligned perfectly with the high value area, which gave me all the confidence I needed to push forward with this one. So let's break it down by step and show you exactly how I executed this trade. So here's how it all began. Yesterday, as we approached the close, I noticed SE showing signs of weakness on the daily chart after a big earnings gap up on high volume. SE printed a classic shooting star candle, a super bearish signal, especially following that kind of rally. That candle told me that bulls were losing steam and sellers were starting to take control. So I decided to position myself short, expecting a gap down overnight to start filling this gap below here. So fast forward to this morning and SE tried to rally right out of the gate, but it ran straight into this critical area, a 30-minute bearish liquidity pocket. This was not just any level. This zone was special because it aligned with the high value area, and more importantly, it was a spot where price had previously broken structure, making lower lows and lower highs. In other words, it was a confirmed structure breakpoint. I knew that sellers were likely waiting there ready to step back in and short it back down. Seeing that alignment, I decided to add to my position right there in the liquidity pocket. This wasn't a blind average down, it was a calculated move based on a high probability elements all stacking up in my favor. With that confidence, I had a strong conviction that the price would respect this resistance and reverse from here. And that's exactly what happened. As soon as SE hit that zone, the price rejected hard, reversing sharply and driving straight down toward my first target, the new low of the day. This is where I logged in half of my position to secure some solid profits, but I wasn't done yet. I kept rest of my position open, targeting a full gap fill below for even more downside. So now as we stand, my puts are up 150% and I'm holding the rest of the position because I see a potential even more gains here. With 2 days left until expiration, I'm expecting this trade to hit at least 300% if it continues to follow through. Guys, when a setup like this lines up cleanly with a bearish liquidity pocket, high value area, and a sellers clearly waiting at a SBP, you have got to play out. I'm watching it closely, but I see more downside potential here and I'm prepared to ride it for as long as the structure holds. If this breakdown helped you understand the setup better, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on this trade. And if you want to see this kind of strategies live in action, join our free Discord and take advantage of a 7-day free trial. I am live trading every day, sharing setups like this in real time so you can learn and apply these strategies yourself. Let's keep leveling up together.